Alright guys, I have another video here for my lovely side-by-side GE. This Panasonic original motor finally gave out after 17 years. It's a quite easy way to tell. You could either jump the red and the yellow together. The white is the negative, and if you put that directly to a 12-volt source, um, it should run. And if it doesn't run, then that means your motor is bad. It very seldom does this happen, but with my luck, it happened. So what you could do is trace it back to the board, and of course, with a voltmeter, just probe the yellow to red and the white to negative, and you should be registering around 13 volts to the motor. If it's not registering, it's going to be your capacitor. In my case, I probed it, everything was good on that, and so I went to the motor. I went directly to the old motor and I jumped it. It did not start, so the culprit's the motor, and that's the new one that I got. I will go ahead and post the link of the part that I got. I got it on Amazon. Mixed reviews on that, but it works. I jumped it and it works. So I just went ahead and spliced these 4 wires. I kept the negative separate there, and I just reattached everything there. It's pretty quite self-explanatory there, but keep you guys posted.